everyone, welcome to Satya classes. Myself Raj Pandey, and this time I'm here with a topic that named trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Guys, this topic is really very much useful and important topic, and it is a little bit tricky also. So watch the full video, and if in case you have not watched my previous video, I'm putting down the link in the description, or you can go through I button. So coming up to learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so before I proceed, I would like to tell you what is the word complementary means. It means when two angles are added and their sum is equal to 90 degree, they are said to be complement of each other. Okay, complement of each other. So 90 degree, because complementum is the word that means completed from Greek, and 90 degree is thought of being as a complete angle. Actually complete angle is 360 degree, but this 90 degree is thought of being complete angle, so we are saying it as complementary angle. Do you understand this? Okay, so let us take two angles. The first one is theta and the second one is 90 minus theta. These are my choice. I have taken two angles, so let us add them. On adding, what you will get? Yeah, sure, 90 degree. So from here we conclude that theta and 90 minus theta are the complement of each other. Understand? These two angles are the complement of each other. I am trying to make you understand about this. The reason being, today's study will be totally based on these complementary angles, and this is really very much important for CBSE examinations, because this kind of question can be asked in your examination and you can grab all the marks of this question, because there is so easy logic for solving this question. So watch the video and you will be able to solve this kind of question. So I hope you have understand the meaning of complementary. So let us move to the concepts. For understanding this, I am taking a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, and this angle is as theta. What about this angle? 90 degree. You know about it. In right angle triangle, B will be 90 degree. You should be knowing about this. There is nothing much logic in this. But what about this angle? So if this is 90, this is theta, so this angle will be 90 minus theta. You can use the angle sum property quickly if you don't understand this. 90 minus theta. Okay, now look here, theta and 90 minus theta, both are the complement of each other. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to finding all the ratios regarding this theta angle, and soon you will see the magic. So according to Pandit Patri Prasad Har Bole, I again written here. Now you are familiar with this line, so that you can easily point out the values. So I am calculating sine theta, cos theta for the theta angle, then thereafter tan theta, then thereafter cosec theta, sec theta, and the last one is very good, cot theta. So let us do it. Sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So look here, for theta angle, what will be the perpendicular? AB. So it will be written as AB by erasing C and putting here AB by how much? Good, AC. For cos theta, it will be base upon hypotenuse, so BC is the base. In case if you don't know how to choose base and hypotenuse, you can watch the previous video. I have clearly told about that. Okay, now this time I wanna teach this, not that. BC upon AC. What about tan theta perpendicular upon base. So AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base. It becomes AB by AC. Now for cosec theta we can reciprocal this value. This becomes AC upon AB. For sec theta you can write it as AC by BC. AC by BC. And last one is for cot theta can be written as AB upon AC is tan theta, so becomes AC by AB. Now soon you will know why I'm doing like this. My next work is I'm going to find all the ratios for 90 minus theta angle. Okay, you will have some surprising result, just wait for it. So let us do it. Sine 90 minus theta. Okay, don't worry about this 90 minus theta. This is collectively taken and this is just an angle, not two angle. 90 minus theta, when you solve this you will have only a single angle and you are finding the trigonometric, all the trigonometric ratios for 90 minus theta angle. So let us do it. Sine 90 minus theta. Now I am taking this angle. You can also write as x if you wish to. There will be no change. So for this, sine 90 minus theta is equal to perpendicular upon what? Very good. So for this angle, BC will be the perpendicular. BC upon AC. Is it okay? Now cos 90 minus theta is equal to base AB upon AC. Then thereafter tan 90 minus theta. Okay, keep doing along with me. 90 minus theta, it becomes perpendicular upon base. So for this angle BC will be the perpendicular, so BC upon AB. Okay, and the remaining can be written as their reciprocal. So cosec 90 minus theta is equal to AC by BC. Just wait for the result. The result is so good. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to AC by AB. The last one is cot 90 minus theta, reciprocal of this means AB by BC. So AB by BC. Now you have to focus here. Look at this value. Sin theta is equal to AB by AC and find the value AB by AC in this. So you will get AB by AC here. Okay, so this one is matching. I'm writing first and here also first, means both are matching. That's why I'm written here first and first. So if these ratios are matching, then of course the function sin theta and cos 90 minus theta will be matching, means they are equal. Understand? Okay, let's take another example. Suppose that this time you are going to find BC upon AC. So find BC upon AC in this. Okay, here you get BC upon AC. BC upon AC for sin 90 minus theta and for cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Both the ratios are equal, so their function will also be equal. Understand? So I am writing second for this one, second and second. Okay, similarly if you find all the values chosen from here and you will find in this series, so for every value there is a matching pair. Do you understand? There will be matching pair, and now I'm writing those matching pair, and just you have matched to So similarly you can match all the pairs. To understand, I don't want to mug up in these things, okay, because these concepts are so simple, and if I start doing that, they will take only time. So now, do you understand about this? If you still not understanding, then tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video for this, okay? So I'm erasing all the other values to free up space, and I am writing sin theta is equal to, matching with this value, cos 90 minus theta. Understand? And sin theta is matches with this value. And what about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Do you understanding? Now from here, by using similarly, we can write it as, free up the space, okay, I'm erasing all the things. You have done about sine, cos, okay. What about sec theta? So sec theta will be equal to cosec 90 minus theta. What about cot theta? Cot theta will be equal to tan 90 minus theta, okay. Now after writing these four values, the left value is cosec theta, which you will write as sec 90 minus theta, okay. Now this seems quite easy. Then thereafter cosec, you can use tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to how much? Cot 90 minus theta. So from here I made a table, and that table you can see over the screen, and write the table. So now after learning this, the remaining part is how to solve a question based on this concept. So let us see the question. Some very interesting question that are in your examination, like CBSE 2002, 2004, some previous year questions. Now this time I am taking two examples here, and this will make you understand more about the concept. So let us see how to solve this question. So you have done that sin theta can be also written as cos 90 minus theta, okay. When sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, this means what? Sin theta has pairing with cos, so sin cos are taken as a pair. Now look here, sin and cos are in divisible form. So in case if I may able to make this sin as cos, so the cos and cos will cancel each other if their angle will be same, okay. So these ratios cancellation happens when the ratio means the function is same and the angle containing that function is same. Only that case they will cancel each other. Please note it down in your copy what I said. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Now a little step, suppose that for this time theta is 41 degree. Now what will be its complement pair? So for finding the complement pair, you have to just subtract this theta angle from 90 degree, and what you will get? A second angle. Subtract it. So 10 minus 1, how much? 9. Good. And 4. So it becomes 49. Now you got the pair, complementary pair, 41 and 49. So from here you have written theta. In the place of theta you can put 41. Let us do it. This becomes sine 41 degree is equal to, in place of cos 90 minus theta you can put easily 49. Can you? Of course you can. So see here, it becomes cos 49 degree. Now divide the both, means bring this ratio down the sine 41. So this will look like sine 41 upon cos 49, and what left here? 1. Very good. Look, this result is matching here. Understand? This result is matching right now. Sine 41 upon cos 49, this is equal to how much? 1. Okay, so let us take the second example so that you can understand it very well. Keep solving along with me. For this we have a formula that I wrote, that I have calculated before. So let us see how to do it. Since we know that cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay, now suppose this time I am taking theta as 32 degree. So what will be its complementary pair? Good, 90 minus theta. You can write it as 90 minus 32. So subtract it quickly. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 3, how much? 5. Good, 58. Now in the place of theta you will put 32. In the place of 90 minus theta you will put 58. Look here, cosec 32 is equal to sec how much? In place of 90 minus theta you can put 58 degree. So 58. Now again divide the both as I did earlier. Cos 32 degree upon sec 58 degree is equal to how much? Good, 1. 1 is left here. Again look, this is the question. Okay, match it. Cosec 32 degree upon sec 58 degree. Cosec 32 degree upon sec 58 degree. Now this again equal to 1. Understand? Taking two more example. See how to do it. There is a minus sign, so let us find its pair. Okay, first of all let us find its pair. Now how to find that? Suppose this time theta is equal to 39 degree. Now find its complementary angle, that is 90 minus theta is equal to 90 degree minus 39. Subtract it quickly. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. This becomes 51. So its pair will be sine theta is equal to, this is the general formula I am again writing for you, is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Do you understand? This is the general formula. Every time when you solve this question, when you put this formula, this means you have some knowledge and you are doing the question according with the knowledge. So sine 30, let's put the value of theta. We have taken 39 is equal to how much? Say, good, cos 59. Now what you have to do for this equation to be look like this, you need to do a simple single step. The step will be bring this value here. This is positive, and when you will bring this side, this becomes negative. Do you understand? Now what left here? 0, obviously, because whole you are bringing this side from RHS to LHS, so it becomes 0. Got the value? That is equal to 0 degree. So this becomes 0 degree. Understand? We have one more example, and look at that example. Square is over cos and sine. Are you scared? No need not to scare. Square is not a problem. making square is very good. This makes question looks great. This is the beauty of question. Look, 2. So let us do it quickly. For the solving this question, for a while, do not see this square. Understand? Do not see this square. Or you can have 2 methods. How many? 2 methods for solving this question. So let us proceed by it. First method. Now do not see this square sign. Ignore this for a while. It is in the question, but ignore this for a while and find the pair of cos 13. So you know about it. Cos theta can be written as sine 90 minus theta, and this time theta is equal to how much? 13 degree. So find its pair. 90 minus theta. How much you will get? 90 minus 13 degree. Subtract it. 10 minus 3 becomes 7, and 9 minus 8 minus 1 becomes 7. So 77 degree. Now write it. Cos 13 degree is equal to sine 77 degree. Easy, very easy and very much obvious. So the next step is squaring both the side. You need to square both the side. You can do it. Obviously there should not be any problem. How will you square? Okay, there is a little concept in between this. Okay, so I'm squaring it. Now when you square this value, what will happen? The happenings will be cos, you can take this value here. Okay, means both the things are same. Do you understand this? Good. Sine 77 degree, and you can put a square over here. Now a little step required to do. The little step will be, this is a equation and this is just look like this, but the difference is of minus. Now so bring this number along which side? Good. No, this time I'm bringing this number minus sine square 77 degree. Now what left here? 0. Again compare this value to your original equation. You will get 0 as the answer. Understand? So that's why this question is very obvious and always given here in your exam. This time I'm taking another question. If cos 2 theta is equal to sine 4 theta, where 2 theta and 4 theta are acute angles, find theta. So I'm taking this question. The reason being, you are going to learning a lot from this question. The question is how? Okay, so let's explore this question. First of all, we have given two values, 2 theta and 4 theta, and they are lying in between. They are acute angle. Okay, now my question is to you that when you add two acute angle, is it necessary that their sum will be 90? Is it necessary that when you sum two acute angle, their sum will be 90 degree? Because you know about acute angle. Acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree. Understand? So suppose that we have two angles. One angle is 70 degree and one angle is 40 degree. Now add them. Add them. Do it. Come on. 7 plus 1. This becomes 110. Now this exceeds 90 degree. So our concept complementary will applicable for this question. This question it must be arise in your mind. So let me make you understand what I'm saying. 2 theta and 4 theta are acute angles. Find the value of theta. Understand? So 2 theta and 4 theta must be less than 90, and when we suppose for a while that one angle is 70 degree and other is 40 degree and the answer is coming out to be 110 degree. So the complementary concept is not applicable for this question. But let me convince you that if ever this question is coming in your examination or in your test, treat it as a what? Very good, complementary angles, and sure they are less than 90 degree. Understand? So let us do it. First of all, I am going to find the complementary pair of cos 2 theta, and the required value to calculate, we have to calculate theta. Understand? So let us do it. This time theta is equal to 2 theta. So I am taking generalized formula in terms of not theta, in terms of x, and yes, we can do it. So we can write it as, okay, let me do it as phi. Phi is also denote angle, and I have talked about this in my videos. Cos phi is equal to sine 90 minus phi. Okay, here phi can be taken as 2 theta. Phi is taken as 2 theta. Now what about 90 minus phi? This will be equal to 90 minus 2 theta. Now putting these values in the equation first. So do it, come on, quickly. Cos phi is equal to how much? Look, 2 theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to sine 90 minus 2 theta. 90 minus 2 theta. Now in place of cos 2 theta, you can put right now sine 90 minus 2 theta. Okay, so I'm erasing it and doing it. Note it on copy. Now this value I am putting here, sine 90 minus 2 theta is equal to sine 4 theta. Now this condition, look at this condition, sine 90 minus 2 theta is equal to sine 4 theta. Sine function are same, so the logic it is their angle must be same. I am changing the color of the pen. The logic is their angle must be same. If the function is same and input value is same, so output will also same. Okay, this is the logic. So from here we can write 2 theta is equal to 4 theta. Now it will be easier to find the value of theta. 2 theta becomes 4 theta plus 2 theta is equal to 6 theta, 90 degree. Now theta is equal to 90 upon 6. So divide it quickly. 6 1 just 6 and 6 5 ja 30. So the answer is 15 degree. Hence the required value of theta is 15 degree. So now we shall stop here and we'll see you in the next presentation with some interesting questions based on the complementary angle. So like, subscribe and share #SatyaClasses.